From where can I get free stuff for my restaurant business? Number one, you can get free stuff from any drinks company like Coca-Cola or Pepsi. They would love to endorse you if you're planning to open a restaurant, and they would love to come into your restaurant business and put their drinks, and you would be selling it for them. They can give you a grant up to 150,000 krona to 200,000 krona. I'm telling you this in Icelandic because we live in Iceland. It can be in your currency. They would be love to give it for marketing promotion, like you can get your banners print out, or you can get clothing, many more things you can get from this Coca-Cola money. But they would not be paying you this in cash. They would be transferring it to you, into your account after you do the purchase of these items. Then also they would be providing you up to like 60 to 90 liter soda for certain amount of time for at a very cheap price. Then you can ask companies like big company we have here in Iceland, Gary. They can provide you free aprons, what do you call that, boxes, and lot of other things for your restaurant business. These are like my advice for new business is always make sure you do business first, get some credits, and then ask for discount instead of other way around. Don't just go and ask for a big discount. Hey guys, can you give us discount? No, 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 that's not the right way. I prefer do the business with the company first. Tell them, guys, we are giving you this amount of money every month to you, and then ask them how much you can give us, and it will be really good for you and for the company as well. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching the video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will show you what you can do in your restaurant business for promotion.